Here's an update on our 2020 SL 550. We're starting the reassembly process. This was a low freshwater flood vehicle. As you can see, the interior is apart. Everything's been cleaned. All the contacts, all the electrical system has been checked. No corrosion, no rust. Should be done within a day or two. The rugs and the seats have been completely dried out, sanitized. Just want to show you guys our process and how thorough we are with repairing flood damaged vehicles and bringing them back to their original state. It'll be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.